Hello guys, welcome to my video again. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to play as last week he played horse 2+3. Let's see whether this student of mine is trying something else. Oh, he's using the central cannon. And I'm using my favorite sandwich horse defense opening. Um, by moving my cannon from by playing a cannon at to 9, I'm giving way for my rook to come out as fast as I can.
吃，将军，
Yeah, so far not bad. Oh, okay, makes sense. And the reason I move my cannon one step forward only, the purpose of doing this is to prevent black from playing rook at +6 to come here and attack the pawn. So cannon is actually one of the very important piece in xiangqi. So you have to learn and master it so that you can play better. I have actually successfully oh, what is this move for? This move is a bit risky though, but quite creative. Played by black, quite creative. He will very likely play this move, and I will protect my cannon. And he will play horse 5+3. Very quite expected. All these moves are very expected. I'm still controlling the game. Wow. Are you sure you're going to play this? Oh, maybe I can just play p7+1 followed by cannon 9 to 7. Yeah, I should have just taken it and play cannon 9 to 7. It's easier to develop the position later on. I have more choices. But right now isn't too bad either. So it seems like black didn't think it through, and now he's in a very bad shape. He played too fast. Uh, that's what I'm trying to say. And now he have to sacrifice his horse.
吃
Well, too bad.
吃
Hmm. Okay.
吃
Oh, I think he just made a blunder. So I'm now fully utilizing my cannon to attack his rook over here, and he can only sacrifice his pawn, or else I'll be capturing his car over here. So he can only play p3+1 for now. So in my previous video, I did
吃
inform you guys that it's not easy to get a pawn across. So once you get it across, you have to make sure it survives no matter what, and see whether you can push the pawn all the way down here to threaten the king. Oh, I believe red is trying to move his rook here in the next move. The purpose of doing so is to attack my center elephant, but I'm not giving him the chance, and now I'm going for another trade. Should I play this move? Or should I just directly go in? No, it's quite pointless. Yeah, I think this move is okay. Yeah, this move is okay. I'm using my cannon again to threaten the rook over here. What is this move for? I don't really understand. Oh, to attack my elephant. He's playing quite recklessly tonight. Oh yeah, I forgot to inform my student about the class tomorrow. So center pawn is one of the most important pawn, and it gives us the biggest threat. So if you have the chance to take it, then feel free to do so. Hmm. Oops. Oh, I got disconnected. Hmm. Okay, right now I'm using my rook and my knight to go for a killing move. Uh-huh. Okay, so now if the king take my rook, then I can, if he takes, then I can use my elephant to take the rook. And black will be left with nothing to play anymore. Alright, so this is the fourth game. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I will upload the next video for the next game. Alright, thank you for watching.